So this preparation for the upcoming bull market cycle is well underway. People are realizing that we are in fact a lot closer than people anticipated having time for. They thought that things like the economy and war and all these negative macro factors would slow us down, but it's really not. Right now we sit at, again, the highest market cap we've experienced during this bear market cycle, $1.3 trillion. These are those positive signs. Now, what we've also seen is during this time, the whales have been in massive accumulation mode. They have been flowing into assets. They've been building their bags. And believe it or not, whale accumulation is a good thing. Some people hate whales. Yeah, there are bad whales. There are whales that buy and flip, and there are those that accumulate and they hold for the long term. And this is what we're seeing when it comes to SHIB. There are a lot of good whales that are focused on the long-term sustainability of Shiba Inu. And in fact, over the last 7 days, we've seen a massive surge in net flows when it comes to SHIB, actually 1,666%. This is a massive shift towards accumulation, guys. Now, this isn't net inflows. This isn't net outflows. This is net flows. We are having a 1,600% surge to the positive side. And this is all taking place, if you guys haven't looked, this is at a time when SHIB is trending sideways, when we're stuck in this range bound area. Whales are heavy accumulating in this range. All right. They are, in fact, defending price. They are preparing for that next leg to the upside. This is what whales have been kind of doing this entire bear market cycle. Obviously, they've been accumulating and adding to their bags and just preparing. And that's what a lot of us has been doing as well. Obviously, they just have more capital when it comes to that. But this is the thing. When these whales accumulate heavily at these prices, and they're good whales, and they're ones that want to hold long term, the price doesn't tend to retrace back down below here. Okay, obviously, we've had some catalysts that have sent us down to these low levels. Obviously, institutional sell-off, the Shibarium having issues. I mean, there's stuff that's sent us down before, but now that the overall market is beginning to trend to the upside here, it's likely that we don't really look back. Okay, as always, this is not financial advice, but they're in heavy accumulation mode, right in this range. Where do you think they're going to push the price? Towards these higher levels, 4010, 4012, 4015, right? These ranges that we've experienced before. And this is what I've been saying for a very long period of time. If you haven't been preparing, if you haven't been paying attention to these other metrics, you're going to miss out. Okay. As always, you can do what you want. I'm not a financial advisor, but pay attention to what's happening behind the scenes. Some people, they just look at this price, they're like, oh, it's flat, it's boring, nothing's happening. But they're not paying attention to the fact that we're adding more holders, that there's active development going on, that whales are in heavy accumulation mode, right? All these things that are taking place are positive signs for Shiba Inu. The biggest thing has just been the lagging metric, which is price. That's the case for all assets. There are plenty of assets throughout the space that are at the bear market lows, okay? We are on a positive time. We are having this major shift towards positivity in the market. You can obviously see what the Fear Greed Index is doing. Sentiment has had this major overhaul, and now everybody is looking bullish. Everybody is looking at the positivity of what can come from this bull market cycle. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. Pay attention to these metrics. Whales, they do influence prices. They influence liquidity pools. They influence how fast assets can go on a run. And when all this SHIB is pulled out of liquidity pools and there's not much available in the markets, imagine how fast SHIB price can move. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Have a great rest of your Saturday. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.